Hi, it's Janet Bailey, your school resource officer. I want to talk to you today a little bit about lockdown drills and a little bit of what we're going to do a little different this year and a little better. There's been a lot of news reports, of course, about tragedies, about incidents in schools, malls, workplaces. I want you to know that these incidents are very, very rare. They do happen in our country, but the chance that they're ever going to happen here is very slim. It's important to know that you have options. If you're going to be in an emergency, you can do things to help yourself without knowing somebody else is going to tell you what to do. If we have a real emergency, or if we have an emergency drill, like a lockdown drill, when you're in the commons, for instance, or in the hallways, or out on the field, you have three options. Here's the first. You can hide in place. You already know how to do this. That means it's the same thing as locking down. If you're walking down the hall and you hear an announcement for a drill, or there's a real emergency in the school, you have the choice to hide in place. You can go into an office or into a classroom and lock down with them. If, however, you're in a place where there's a threat around you, or you're out somewhere like in the bus loop or something, here's your second option. You can evacuate. You can run. That often is the safest thing for people to do. Of course, when we're having a lockdown drill or an emergency in the school, when you're in class, the safest thing for you to do is hide in place. Lock that classroom down, get quiet, and keep yourself safe. The other third option, though, is that you can fight. What if you've got, the emergency right in your space? If you just cower under a table, you're going to get hurt. So the best thing you can do is, if you can't evacuate or run, is you can try to fight. There's no way I want you guys to put yourselves in harm's way. That's not what I'm saying. What I want you to know, though, is that I want you to empower yourselves to keep yourself safe. So you need to think for yourself, what is my environment? Where am I, and what can I do? Do I lock down? Do I run? Or do I fight? This is your last choice. Believe me, it's probably never going to happen. But you need to know that you have these options and you have to protect yourself. We are going to this year do things a little differently. We're going to do our lockdown drills the same as we've been doing them before, where we'll have an announcement over the loudspeaker while you're in class, and you're going to lock down with your class. Please take these drills seriously. They're to keep you safe, and so your parents know that we have a plan to keep you safe. Now, here we are at the high school. If you'll see here that I've made a map showing Sherrill Street, North Rose, and Main Street. Here's Ray's to kind of give you a perspective. Here's Phoenix Elementary and ATI. Now, during a drill, if we have a lockdown drill, which we probably will by the end of the year, which will be announced during a time when you're not in class, you need to decide, are you going to go into a classroom, you're going to lock down in an office somewhere, or are you going to evacuate? If you decide to evacuate during a drill, what we'd like you to do is to all meet in the south end of the parking lot down here. That'll be our gathering point during the lockdown drill. In a real emergency, say we have, a fire or some sort of a bomb threat, or if we have some sort of threat at the school, the actual evacuation point is going to be here at the fire department down here in Phoenix. Luckily, it looks like it's far away, but it's all downhill, no problem. I want you to meet there because they have shelter, they have medical care there, they have some place for you to lie down, get water, food, and we have the police department right next door. This is City Hall, and the fire department personnel there. In a real emergency, go here to the fire department. They'll take care of you, and your parents can come to the fire department there to reunite with you and pick you up. If we have a drill, like I said, don't bother going all the way down here. Please just wait at the meeting point here in the south end of the parking lot. And after the announcement has been made that the drill is over, you can come back in the school. But think about your three options: locking down, evacuating, and fighting. We're going to be sending a letter home to your parents and explaining this plan for them so they know that we have things in place for them to keep you safe here at the high school. If you or your parents have any questions about that, please let me know. I'd be really happy to explain it to them. I look forward to working with you. Thank you so much for taking these lockdown drills seriously, and let's have a good year. Go Pirates!